At School Specialty, our mission is to surround you with everything you need to help every student succeed. That's why we offer Projects by Design, a strategic, collaborative, and comprehensive approach to creating dynamic learning environments. We make it easy for you from concept to completion. We've used this approach to create thousands of custom learning environments that enhance student outcomes for every age and every type of space. With Projects by Design, we support you at every step through our unique 4D process. During Discover, it's all about getting to know you. We'll have an initial kickoff meeting where our local team will learn about your unique objectives, your instructional vision, your needs, and your wants. During Design, all the dreams we talked about during Discover come to life. With designs informed by the latest research and education expertise, we'll collaborate until the layout, furnishings, and finishes are just right to create functional, flexible, inspiring spaces. Then it's time to deliver. From before the delivery truck pulls up, our expert team will manage every aspect of your installation until every piece of furniture is assembled, clean, and put perfectly in place. When the learning environment is finished, the support is not. During Develop, you can choose to receive ongoing support with training and professional development courses from our team of education experts. We are committed to long-term service for this project, and the next one, and the one after that. We've done this for thousands of learning environments, from K-12 classrooms to maker spaces, sensory rooms to science labs, cafeterias, gymnasiums, early childhood environments, and entire schools. Now we'd love to do it for you. From concept through installation and beyond, Projects by Design can help you surround students with everything they need to succeed. And together, we can transform more than classrooms.